everybody, we are back once again, and today we are playing more beamng Drive Career Mode. And yes, this is a Miramar pickup truck. It looks kind of weird. It's old. It does have drag tires on it, but I want to show y'all something. Oh. Wrong door. There's a I think it's a 2, I don't know, whatever it is, the 1.9 liter turbocharged. Here we go. It's got power. I want to take you to the drag strip. Over torque risk. I need to put a radiator in it, because I'm sure it probably overheats. How much horsepower does it have? I'm not sure. Yeah, we're going to take it to the drag strip. I don't know what happened to all the traffic. What? The engine locked up. Yeah, let's tow it. Okay, let's, repair it. Okay, yeah, it's repaired now. It's worth 16 grand. I'm gonna list it for sale. And see if I can get that for it. Oh wait, no, never mind, I don't have to. Let's look for a vehicle. And let's see if we can find an actual truck, because, yeah, it's cool, but I'm not gonna pay $3,000 for that. And our limit's basically 16 grand. So let's go from 16 and work our way up. Romer. I don't want that. Barstow. Don't want that. MD. D-Series. We'll look at that. MD. Boatload of MDs. A truck. 7 grand. Is that the cheapest one? Yep, it is. I want this truck. No, don't set route. No, wait, go back. Where'd it go? Taxi. I'll trade you my Miramar for this baby. Only trade in at personal dealership? Oh, so now I need to actually, I can sell it real quick because I actually got a, I can actually accept that offer and then buy it. Because I got an offer of like $15,800 or something. I'll take it, just... I want that pickup. I'll buy it. Let's drive it. And let's upgrade it. You know, I'm actually just gonna tow there. And then we're gonna upgrade it. Part customization. What engine does it have in it? 4.5. Diesel? Never mind, we're leaving a 4.5 in it. So let's do some stuff to it. Let's do a stage 1 performance in it. Because this is going to be kind of... Let's do ultra heavy duty, because, you know. Let's do the normal heavy duty. Oil pan, we can do the race oil pan. Super. Never mind, we're not supercharging it. Wheels. I don't like them. Alder 423. Sure. So they're 15 nines. I actually like those. Those are kind of cool. Nice. Okay. Is that all I need, really? Yeah. Okay, now let's go, I want a trailer. Can I find a trailer here? How fast is this thing? It's got a little bit of power. The ESC's got to go. Is there a trailer dealer? No? So it looks like we're not getting a trailer anytime soon. But we got a truck. Let's see about making them some money. I don't want that. Where can we make good money? There we go. Let's go, come on. Okay, suspension. We'll supercharge it eventually, I'm thinking. Give it a little more ponies. Just like a stage 1 or something, nothing huge. Okay, let's do this. Okay, driving a friend to the motel, then escape. Go. Come on, Mom Van. Drive right through it. There goes our tire. It's front wheel drive, it's fine. I don't know how many suckers you got out of that gas station. Probably wasn't worth banging up your car like this. Let's retry that. Maybe I won't lose my tire this time. I absolutely hate the Lansdale though. Unless it's like a supercharged V8 version or something, then I'm alright. Other than that, I don't like it. Boom. Not that bad. We're fine. Car. It's not that bad. Fine. Go. We gotta evade them. I'm just gonna hide right here. Boom. Continue. Let's go make more money. No, 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 no. Abandoned. I'm gonna have to put some better tires on this thing, at least in the rear. Not wheels, I like the wheels, but tires. I'm not gonna put drag tires on it, because it's just wrong. Looks wrong. Oh, come on. It's fine, no damage. Damage. Dangerous speeds. Chase speeder in a high-speed pursuit. Okay, under a minute is what we want. Oh, they turn quick. I'm determined to hit him. Nope. I need to get him in 1 minute. It was close. I'm gonna hit him. I have no gearbox anymore. What the?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a...
Yeah, I'm basically dead. $1 million in cop cars later. Get him. Boom, I got him. How much money do we have now? $17,000. Wow. It's a lot of money. Okay, let's go back to the garage. Let's check and see what they have on the vehicle marketplace. Let's go to $17,000. And see what I can buy. Nope. No UT. You know what? But let's go get the car and upgrade it. Like finish the body kit and stuff. Because I've got plenty of money to spend on it. Engine. Sport. I'll just leave the sport in it. Stage 3. I'm going to confirm this real quick and then sell the other one. And all my other parts. See, that supercharger is worth $4 grand. Sell all parts for $5 grand. Not bad. Now, let's do some more to it. Body. There's hydraulics you can get? A roll cage. No. Side skirts. Spoiler. Holy my god, that's expensive. Plate, spoiler, ducktail. No. Let's just do the plate spoiler. Rear seats, remove. Paint design. Nope. Okay, radiator, high performance, okay. Okay, let's go, let's go over here. And let's see about a rear bumper. Custom. Bumper flares. Let's do the front bumper flares. Okay, let's go. What else do I want to do to this thing? We'll paint it, Left, race seat base. And then front right, where's the right? Wait. Seat. Remove. So let's do that. And let's drive it real quick. I can feel the power. Power. Oh my. Wow. I can't go. So let's tow it back. Yeah, I think that'll be it for this episode.